Hello and welcome everyone to a new class of English. Today we have a review class for the test. So today we are going to focus on unit number 3, which is the hungry rat. And during this class we learn different words related to the vocabulary of food and drink. For example, we have cola, coffee, milk, jam, juice, meat, fruit, fish, sugar, and tea. So during this class also we learn and we watch the story of the witch. And in this story we also focus on the different adjectives of emotions. For example, we have nice, nasty, lazy, busy, hungry, and thirsty. So these are the adjectives or emotions that we feel. We have different feelings right now. So with this, we are going to focus on the portfolio. In the portfolio, we have the following activity, which is this one. Read, look, and complete. So the first one, we have to read this. We have to look at the image right here, and we are going to complete it. There are some and on the plate. Then there's in the bowl. And por último, debe completar lo demás. So finally, you have to write and draw your lunch. But it's your favorite lunch. So here you have everything empty, and you have to fill this with some juice, maybe, or cola, chicken, fish, cheese. I don't know, whatever you want, you have to do it right here to then write and describe what did you do. So this is the first activity for the portfolio. It's just this. We have to use the vocabulary that we learned. Remember, we use there's some to indicate that there is something. O sea que hay. If you want to ask for food, you have to use can I have. Recuerden muy bien eso. Usamos can I have para hacer preguntas. Tal como aprendimos en la clase de la gramática, teníamos oraciones con there's some, que es para indicar que estamos ofreciendo comida. En el caso de preguntar por comida o por bebida, usamos can I have some. So there's some, en un caso será para ofrecer, porque hay, changos. Y en el otro caso vamos a utilizar can I have some. Okay? So, this is the class for today. It's so short, right? Don't worry about that, because we are going to also work on this. This is the skill book. On the skill book, we are going to practice all that we learned during the unit number 3. And the first part is the vocabulary. Right here, we have to look and circle the odd one out and right. So there is something different right here. We have cola, sausages, chocolate, and jam. So we have sausages, cola, chocolate, and jam. And we have the odd one, which is cola. Then we have chicken, cake, coffee, and jam. Which one of these could be the odd one? The odd significa que es el diferente, el que no se vincula con todos los demás. Hay unos que tienen la misma categoría. ¿Cuál será la categoría que estamos viendo? La lógica. ¿Cuál será? Ustedes tendrán que elegir. Pueden ser líquidos, pueden ser frutas, pueden ser postres. Ahí tenemos que identificar sólidos, líquidos. Depende cuál será el que sobra. Hacemos un círculo y escribimos el nombre. Para luego de eso, crear nuestro mismo patrón. Según lo que hemos aprendido en clase, nosotros creamos nuestro mismo patrón y después le pedimos a algún compañero que elija cuál es el que sobra. Then, on the grammar, we have this. We have a little review about what is the grammar that we learn. And the grammar that we learn is this. There is some and can I have some. On and in. We learned this during the last year, if you remember. So we have to do some sentence, complete sentence, by indicating what is here. So we have to look and complete. Here we have food on the fridge. In the fridge. ¿Cuál de las dos será? So we have to write sentences by indicating if it is on or in. Complete sentences. For example, there's some cheese on the blue plate. Then we have to write questions. Look and write answers. We are going to ask the question, for example, can I have some? Can I have some? Can I have some with the three of this? And then we are going to write answers depending of the case. Remember, we have yes, of course, and no, I'm sorry. Finally, the last activity is this one. We are going to read and write. We are going to read this. Number 1 and number 2. And it said, can I help you? Can I have some cake, please? Yes, of course. There is some chocolate. Y después seguimos con esta lectura y tendremos que adivinar cuál de las dos imágenes corresponde al texto que está acá, para escribir si es el número 1 o number 2. We have to read and choose. Then, with the other, we are going to write our own text. Vamos a utilizar las mismas, o sea, vamos a utilizar lo que tenemos acá para completar el cuadro que está aquí. Miren, tenemos un tip, dice make your writing interesting. Try to think about other food to use, for example, tomato soup, vegetable soup, strawberry ice cream or chocolate ice cream. Palabras que aprendimos durante la clase, durante el año pasado. Así que podemos aplicar el vocabulario que utilizamos el año pasado para completar esto mismo, que es un diálogo parecido al de arriba. Podemos utilizar el sobrante, uno de los dos, o podemos crear nuestro propio diálogo. So this is the class for today. It's just a review. Remember, we have the test on this week, and the test is about the unit number 3. So I hope you are okay, and see you next week. Bye bye.